Boom! What's up, guys? Gago, no? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, John and Drinks. Saan tuturuan ko kayo ng tips and tutorials on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar. So if you're new to this channel, please click the like and subscribe button, and let's make some cocktails, guys. Guys, papakita ko sa inyo paano gumawa ng apple cinnamon vodka. Napakadali niya lang gawin, guys. At tamang-tama sa panahon na napakainit at pwede rin siyang inumin sa gabi kasi mainit pa rin. At ito nang kailangan niyo, guys. Gago, no? Kailangan ating baso is rock glass o kahit anong tall glass, pwede nyo gamitin yon. So, ligyan natin ng yelo para lumamig. Pero pwede nyo namang ilagay na lang sa rep. Diba? So, itong cocktail na to, guys, is shaken. So, kailangan natin ng shaker. And first ingredient is sugar. So, for sugar, ang gagamitin natin sugar is cinnamon syrup. So, itong cinnamon syrup na to is homemade to, guys. So, if you want to see a video on how to make different syrups, please comment down below. And gagawa tayo ng tutorials. Ilalagay natin is 1 ounce. And next is apple juice. For apple juice, guys, kahit anong klaseng apple juice naman pwede nyo gamitin. Pwede yung box, pwede yung powdered, o pwede rin yung fresh. Pero box lang kayo, mas mura lang yan. Lalagay natin is 2 ounce. And lagyan natin ng honey. For honey, guys, lagyan natin ng 5 ml or 1 teaspoon. For alcohol, kakailangan natin ng vodka. For vodka, guys, ilalagay natin is 1.5 ounce. 1.5 ounce? Oh, 1.5 ounce or 45 ml. Guys, itong whiskey is optional lang siya. Pwede naman walang whiskey. Pero ako, gusto ko siya lagyan ng whiskey kasi nagko-complement siya sa lasa ng cinnamon. Kasi ang whiskey is medyo spicy siya at savory yung flavor. So, pwede siyang idagdag sa cocktail para mas ma-enhance yung taste ng cocktail. And remind ko lang, guys, kung gagawa kayo ng kahit anong cocktail or drinks, kailangan nyo lang naman dyan is yung balance ng ingredients. Kailangan lang natin ng sweetness, sourness, at yung alcohol natin. So, kayo na lang maglaro kung anong gusto nyong ingredients na lagay. Basta, kailangan meron tayong every ingredient na yun. Nalagay ko lang, guys, is half ounce or 15 ml. Quick stir, guys. Tikman natin. Bago yung shake. Sarap. Para malaman nyo kung ano yung pwede nyo pa idagdag. So, all ingredients are in the shaker, guys. Let's put some ice and let's shake our cocktail, guys. Let's strain our glass kasi may tubig na yan. And double strain natin, guys. For garnish is lagyan natin ng cinnamon stick at apple. There you go, guys. Apple cinnamon vodka. Tikman natin. Sarap. Ang sarap. So yun guys, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos on how to make drinks, cocktails, mocktails, and learn about bar, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video guys. Cheers!